Welcome to Machines More, and welcome to Computex 2026 with Gigabyte. And I am here to check out their Infinity lineup, which is especially for their 40th anniversary here. And just to let you know, this video is sponsored by Gigabyte. Big thanks for their support. Lots of cool things here. Spinning behind me is one of the most interesting motherboard concepts I have ever seen. It is a motherboard designed for the space age. You're going to be able to take this one to space. It's made out of space age materials. It's 3D printed metal, increasing the surface area for cooling. And although it's not going into production just yet, it's fascinating to see what they're able to do. It's just a piece of art, 3D printed metal for the heat sinks. And also for the back, they've got this honeycomb designed metal back shield. If you're looking for something that's going to be retail available, turn to the Infinity X870 boards. These are Infinity themed in conjunction with their 40th anniversary. Feature here with the X870 Infinity board is it's got 2 slots. Geared towards RAM OC, can go as low as CL24 and up to 11,400 mega transfers per second. So of course, really up to your CPU and your luck in the Silicon Lottery at that point. But the board will support your wildest ambitions on that front. And right over here, this is the new Infinity lineup. We saw the 5090 32G at CES. That's coming down to the 5080, 5070 Ti, and 5070 as well. And there's something neat about the 5080 and the lower Infinity coolers is that they'll feature a side or stealthy 12-volt connector. Now, this cooler design features a dual flow-through design. It has a special PCB, also has a PCB cooling fan in the middle. Could be a polarizing design, but I think many of you that are looking for kind of a futuristic build theme will really like this one. And over here is the 5080 Infinity Wood. This is a white theme here, but it does have this lighter kind of birch-like trim veneer strip. It's not actual wood, but it's made to look like wood. This is the X870 Aero X3D Wood. It's a little bit of a different look here. It's got this light up here, and the lighter wood trim. There's 2 types of alternate Infinity color schemes that they're doing. This is dark wood and dark wood Infinity, which is this darker scheme here. It features this little strip of faux veneer to give it a wood-like look. And this is built into the Noctua Antex Flux Pro Noctua Edition just for a reference build here. Featuring their Aero X3D Dark Wood. The X870E Aero X3D Dark Wood has a darker wood-inspired aesthetic. They're highlighting over selected areas of the board. Next up in their Infinity lineup is this mATX case here. What's interesting about this case, it has a display, a full-blown display attached to the side of the case. The C510 glass Infinity has an integrated 16-inch display with an LCD panel that can be placed on either side of the case. Here it's shown on the behind the motherboard, but you could also flip it over to the typical show side of the case. Well, it looks like they're getting ready to shut down the booth here. Well, it is the end of day 1 of the show. Really busy, really crazy day, but glad I stopped by to check out what Gigabyte has here. A really nice looking motherboard concept, isn't it? So stay tuned. Lots more to come from here. Again, big thanks to Gigabyte for their support. And yeah, go make sure you give a like and subscribe here, and I'll see you in the next one.